Bonjour Beautiful. We're going to be working on the Baladi rhythm. So musicality with a body part. So we're going to use the glutes and we're going to also work with the hip. Let's start with the right side. So I want you to bring your right leg behind and I want you to have soft knees. And all I want you to do is put your hand on your glute and focus on that contraction and a release. So you got a contraction and release, contraction and release, contraction and release, and contraction and release. Switch, contraction and release, contract, release, contract. So I want you to feel that contraction and release. We're going to do the contractions on the dooms and the release on the tack. So again, the Baladi has a 4/4 rhythm. On the first beat is 2 dooms. Second is the tack attack, which is going to be the release of your contraction. And then 1 contraction on the 3rd beat and then a release on the 4th. We're going to go doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack, doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Switch. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack, doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. So we're going to be working on the glutes. And then after that, we're going to be doing some hip drops on the dooms. So in your classical pose, we're going to go into your lift and then focus on the drop, lift, and then drop, drop. No, let's do the opposite. 2 dooms on the first. Lift first, doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. We're going to switch and repeat. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Now use your oblique muscles. Again, your knees are relaxed. Now we're going to do this with music. Start with your right, bring it back, and squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze. Ready? Again, squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. And switch. And squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Two more. All right, let's go into a right hip, into the drops, and drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Drop, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, drop, lift. It's raining outside, so you might hear the rain, and I'm not sure. Switch. And work those obliques. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, back to the glutes. Can you hear the rain? It's pouring outside. And I'm sweating just doing this too, so woo! Switch. Let's do that again, one more time. All right, this side. Squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Really work those glutes. One more. All right, right side. And drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Switch. Yay! All right, so you can do all kinds of stuff. You could do actually alternate hip too with the Baladi rhythm. So you could go, I'm going to show the back, so you could go squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze. So you go squeeze twice, release, squeeze. Just focus on the right side. Here you go. Squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, switch. Right. Now switch left. To the side, switch, up, down, down. Might as well finish this song. Okay, we did it. Yeah, so play with different body parts. Actually, we'll do more of these Baladi rhythm with different body parts in the next videos too. I'm having fun. And then we could do this with the Saidi rhythm, with all kinds of different rhythm. But they're just fun drills to work on your body parts, so you could kind of also memorize the rhythm and get it into your body. And at the same time, you're also working those body parts and making it more fluid and easy when you're dancing and improvising and just having fun. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.